This challenge is for abstract class. I will explain about the classes and you have to write down the code for the class and also you have to write complete program for it. So let us study the classes in this example. One class is there that is called shape and one class is circle that is inheriting from shape and one more class that is rectangle that is also inheriting or a child class of shape. So let us discuss and define the properties and the methods of these classes. Let us start with class shape. Can you tell me what are the properties of shape? Properties of shape: length, breadth, diameter, radius. No, there is no specific dimension of shape. So obviously it will not have any properties, no properties for class shape. Then what are the methods? Are there any methods? Can you calculate perimeter of a shape? Yes, we can calculate perimeter of a shape. Okay, perimeter. Can you tell me the formula? Can you tell me the formula? See, there are no dimensions. How can there be a formula for perimeter? Then perimeter method is there. So definitely this method is abstract. This is an abstract method. We cannot define this method. So class also becomes abstract. Yes, class also become abstract. The moment you have one single method as abstract, definitely you have to make a class also as abstract. Then what about other methods? Yes, there is one more method possible, that is area. Can you calculate area? No, definitely not. So this is also abstract. So you have to write one class called shape with no properties, just two methods that are abstract methods, perimeter and area. Then next you have to write a class for circle. Let us come to class circle. Class circle. It will be extending from shape. Extends shape. Yes. So once you make a class as child class of an abstract class, circle also become abstract. So circle must override these two methods, that is perimeter and area. These two methods must be overridden. Yes, we will do that. Let us define the properties of a circle. There is only one property, that is radius. Yes, radius is the property. Then what are the method? We can find out perimeter of a circle. Perimeter of a circle. Okay. You can write on the body. There is a formula. You find out the formula and write down. Then we can calculate area of a circle. You write on the formula. So in this way we are overriding these two methods of this shape class here. So class circle becomes a non-abstract class, that is a concrete class. A concrete class whose objects can be created. So a circle class will have radius and two methods that are perimeter and area. Let us go to class rectangle. Class rectangle. This also extends from shape. Yes, this also extends shape. Then what are the properties of this one? This will have length and breadth as the properties. Length and breadth. Alright. Then what are the methods? Same thing, perimeter and area. Perimeter and area methods. So these two methods you have to override them, means you have to write on the body, in which you have to write on the formula. Now if you observe, I have not written the data type of these properties and the return type of the method, right? Nothing I have written. So you have to decide and take it and you write on the program. And here also there is no return type mentioned, so you mention it. So write the classes, three classes: shape class, then circle class and rectangle class. Then create their objects and use them inside the main method. Alright. Using a shape class reference, you can access the objects of circle as well as rectangle. You can try that one also. That is, so method overriding, abstract classes and dynamic method dispatch, all these things together you can see in this example. So that you check it in main method. I am not going to discuss that. Okay. So I will just, if you pause the video and try to write on the classes by yourself, if you want help, just if you continue, I will show you these classes. All right. Yeah. Here is a class for shape. It's an abstract class with the perimeter and area as abstract methods, and they are returning double type of value. Then the circle class extends shape, radius is double, and perimeter area these two methods are overridden. So class circle became a concrete class. Then a rectangle is also having length and breadth, so I have taken them double, so that perimeter and area should return double. See, these are abstract methods, so both these classes, circle and rectangle, must override these method, so their return type should be same. Okay, so same return type. So here I should take some return type, so I gave it as double, so all of them are double. If you say no, float or integer, you can change it. Okay, so I have two classes inheriting from shape class. Now here I can create an object of rectangle class or assign new rectangle. There are no constructors, nothing I have written, so I should set the length to 10 and breadth as 5, and then I can call the area system.out.println. I can print the area, so that is rectangle.area. I can call this method. Okay, so this is a sign. So I get 10 into 5, that is 50 result. So I'm just using it. Even I can use a shape class reference that is pointing on rectangle object. Then using that shape class reference, I can call area method. It also works. So this is like polymorphism or dynamic method dispatch. I can also call circle method, that is area method, by using shape. So you can test these things. Already I have explained in the previous videos. So you can test this thing by yourself by using this example. Okay, that's all in this video. You can find the code in the link in the resources.